To pay on Shein with a Visa gift card, start by logging into your Shein account and browsing the website for the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will be asked to select a payment method. Click on the credit or debit card option and enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is usually a 3-digit number located at the back of the card. Make sure to register your Visa gift card before using it on Shein, as some gift cards may require registration before they can be used for online transactions. You can register your card by visiting the Visa website or by calling the customer service number provided on the back of the card. After entering the card details, click on the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of the items, the transaction will be successful. However, if the balance is not sufficient, you may need to use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that Shein may charge a small verification fee to verify the card details. This fee is usually deducted from the gift card balance and is refundable if the transaction is not successful. To avoid any issues during the payment process, make sure to check the gift card balance and the expiration date before using it on Shein. You can check the balance by visiting the Visa website or by calling the customer service number. In case you encounter any issues during the payment process, you can contact Shein customer service or Visa customer service for assistance. They will be able to guide you through the process and help resolve any issues. By following these steps, you can easily pay on Shein with a Visa gift card. Remember to always check the gift card balance and expiration date before using it, and to register the card before making any online transactions.